guys, it's Avery Carl. I am the author of Short-Term Rental, Long-Term Wealth, and I built my 70-door portfolio through buying short-term rentals as a first investment. So today I'm going to give you a few reasons why buying a short-term rental is a really great option for your first investment. One of the main reasons that short-term rentals are really great for a first investment is that they're very easy to finance. They're very conventionally financeable. You don't have to get a commercial loan. You don't have to get hard money. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You can just get a conventional loan for as little as 10% down, depending on a few items that you want to chat through with your loan officer. 30-year fixed rate mortgage, you really can't beat it. Another really great reason to invest in short-term rentals first is because they have a really high cash flow and cash on cash return. Short-term rentals can make as much as 5 to 10 times more than a comparable long-term rental. They can be a really good place to start strategically for building your portfolio because you can build more cash flow and more money in the bank faster than if you start with traditional long-term, so that you can then go scale your portfolio much more quickly than if you started with a traditional long-term investment. A third great reason to start with short-term rentals is that your guests are only in-house for between 3 to 7 days in most cases, so you don't have to worry about evictions. If you have a bad guest, they're checking out in a few days. You're not stuck with them for 6 months to a year. They check out, you get it cleaned. You don't really have to worry about having those year-long fights with tenants that a lot of us long-term landlords have often. Another great and often overlooked thing about short-term rental investments is that they are appraised assets. They are not commercially appraised, they are residentially appraised. So it doesn't matter how much a short-term rental makes, it is only worth what the other similar sold comps in the area are. So for you as a buyer, that's a good thing, because that means that even if the seller was really, really successful and has really great rental history, it does not mean that you have to pay more as a buyer for the property. It's not worth more. It's only worth what the other appraised residential closed properties around it are worth. In other types of investing, the more money the property made, the higher the appraised value is. In short-term rental investing, the property is only worth what the other residential sold comps are worth. So while it might indirectly affect the desirability of a property, which means more buyers will bid the property up higher, the appraised value is going to be what the appraised value is, regardless of what the property made.